Hello everyone, my name is An, and today I would like to present to you the survey about students' attitude towards technology use in education. Also, in this screencast exercise, I also would like to talk over the results I got over a week of data collection. The purpose of the survey is to understand students' recognition of the use of technology at schools. Also, it seeks information about how students relate technology use to their education. The results and analysis from the survey can be used to assist teachers with technology professional development. The targeted respondent age group is high schoolers from grade 9 to 12, and the survey questions were developed and influenced by the ethical questions to ask about tech integration in your classroom by Perkins in 2019. And the technology tools can be any of the following below, like computer and internet use, YouTube and video streaming, and etc. The survey was open for 7 days and was closed on the 14th of April. And the survey used Google Form to create survey questions and was administered twice a day to keep track of the responses and any technical issues. Responses were selected mainly through social media and family and friends network. There are totally 7 students responding to the survey questions, and here are the responses from them. So there are more than 57% things that it's very important to include technology in the classroom, and also more than 40% of the students think that a lack of technology in the classroom makes them unmotivated or not interested in lessons or activities. And around more than 57 of the responses refer to have online textbook or assignment or homework. And most of them think that their teachers should provide an opportunity to use technology or to have an online homework once a week. And they also more than 57% of the students evaluate that the teachers did a great job of incorporating technology into their lessons. And they're not sure if more than 75% of the students were not sure if whether they had enough training or experience and knowledge to use and adapt to changes in technology at schools. And more than 80% of the students felt that technology tools in the classroom or library allow them to complete their work both effectively and efficiently. And all 7 responses agree that they refer to have computer and internet use in their classroom, and the lowest one, they do not refer to have document camera or digital audio or video recorders in their classroom. And also they around 40% refer to have online internet activities or simulation. Overall, most students perceive that technology was moderately to very important in classroom instructions, but not everyone agreed that the lack of technology would make them unmotivated or less learning. And more than half of the responses were from online textbooks and assignments, and most of them prefer to use technology or be assigned online homework at least once a week. It was surprising that not all students agreed that the teacher did a great job of using technology into their lessons, and the respondents were not pretty sure whether they had enough training for technology uses at schools. About technology tools, all students prefer computer and internet use in their classroom, and more than half like to have online internet activities or simulations. One said that the current technology use was doing fine by how school systems work right now. Another said that technology should be used for more interaction between students and teachers. One said that there should be more homework on Google Classroom and prefer to have tests and quizzes over online tools. Another one expected the school to allow free Wi-Fi to get access to social media, YouTube, etc.